Unlock the fastest, most rewarding way to get your Starbucks fix, all with a tap of your iPhone or Apple Watch while you're Let's Tap Apple Pay at Starbucks. First, the Starbucks app offers the most seamless integration if you haven't already. Make sure Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone or Apple Watch. You can do this in your iPhone settings app, under Wallet and Apple Pay. Once that's done, open your Starbucks app if you're a new user. You'll need to create an account and add a payment method. On the payment screen within the Starbucks app, look for the option to add Apple Pay as your payment method. Tap on it, and you'll likely be prompted to confirm the addition through your iPhone's security features. It's a quick and secure process that links your preferred card within Apple Pay directly to your Starbucks account. Once Apple Pay is linked, you can easily load funds into your Starbucks account or set it as your default payment method for mobile orders. This means every purchase automatically draws from your Apple Pay balance or linked card, earning you stars with every sip. Now, for ordering in-store without the app, when you tell the barista what you're ordering, simply let them know you'd like to pay with Apple Pay. They'll prompt you to hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless payment terminal. When your device is close enough, your iPhone or Apple Watch will display the Apple Pay interface. You'll see the Starbucks logo and the amount. Double-click the side button on your iPhone or your Apple Watch's side button to bring up your default card. Then, authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, a confirmation checkmark will appear on your screen. And that's it. Your payment is complete. Securely and instantly you'll receive your stars in the Starbucks app. And you can enjoy your delicious coffee without fumbling for cash or cards. It's the effortless way to power your coffee habit. #Apple Pay Starbucks #mobile payments.